everyone. Today, we're making one of the most elegant French pastries, French brioche with pastry cream and chocolate chips. It's soft, buttery, and filled with smooth pastry cream and melted chocolate. Let's start with the dough. In a large bowl, mix 500 grams of flour, 200 milliliters of water, 60 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt, 1 egg, 60 grams of butter, and 20 grams of yeast. Knead everything until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Keep kneading for about 8 to 10 minutes. Shape the dough into a ball, place it in a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rest in the fridge for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. This slow, cold fermentation gives the dough an amazing flavor and perfect texture. While the dough is resting, prepare the butter for lamination. Take 250 grams of butter or margarine, place it between 2 sheets of parchment paper, and flatten it with a rolling pin until you get a smooth, even square. Keep it in the fridge until the next day. The next morning, lightly flour your work surface and roll out the chilled dough into a rectangle. Place the cold butter square in the center and fold the dough over it like an envelope. Start with the first fold, the double turn. Wrap the dough in plastic and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Then do the second fold, the simple turn, and chill it again for another 30 minutes. Now it's time to shape. Roll out the dough into a rectangle about 20 centimeters wide and 40 centimeters long. Cut half of it into 20 thin strips, about 1 centimeter each. Place these strips upside down on top of the other half of the dough. Roll it out again until it measures about 24 centimeters wide and 54 centimeters long. Then cut it into small rectangles, 18 by 8 centimeters. Add some pastry cream to each piece. Sprinkle a few chocolate chips. Then gently roll them up and seal the edges. Place all the pieces on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Let them rise at room temperature for about 2 hours until they double in size. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the tops with a mix of egg yolk and milk to give them a beautiful golden color. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown and the smell of butter and chocolate fills your kitchen's smiling face with hard eyes. And that's it, perfect French brioche with pastry cream and chocolate chips. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy inside, filled with rich cream and melted chocolate. Serve them warm with coffee or tea. They're absolutely irresistible, okay hand. Try the recipe and tell me what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more delicious recipes, Yellow Heart. See you next time, Waving Hand.